One of the mundane things that we can associate math with is counting. For example, for dinner, you have the following choices. You have two entrees, soup, or salad. After the entree, you now have three choices for your main course: chicken dish, a prawn dish, or a hamburger. For dessert, you can either choose ice cream or pie. So, what are and how many different combinations of meals could you make for your dinner? Now, pause the video and try to think about how will you answer the question. Now, this is an example of counting because we are asked how many different combinations of meals could we make. So we are going to count the possible combinations of entrees, mains, and desserts that we have. So we're going to start with entrees. There you go. So let's say we have two entrees. You have your soup, and then we have our salad. Soup and salad. So whichever your choice of entree be, it's possible that you choose a soup or it's possible that you choose a salad. Now, once you have chosen soup, you now have three options to choose for your main dish. It can either be the chicken dish, the prawn dish, or the hamburger. If you choose salad, you still have the same similar choices of chicken, prawn, and hamburger. So, I can actually say that I had soup and chicken. Then I can also say that I have soup and prawn, if that's my choice. Or I can also say I have soup and hamburger. Similarly, I can also say that one possible combination is salad then chicken. Another possible thing is salad then prawn. And another possible thing is salad and hamburger. So there. So far, what I'm doing is listing down my possible combinations of food using a diagram. Now, after the main, we have two desserts, ice cream or pie. So after eating my main, if I chose chicken, I can have ice cream or pie. If I ate prawns, I can still have ice cream or pie. And so on, because these are the two choices of desserts that we have: ice cream, pie, ice cream, oops, there you go, pie, and ice cream, pie. So there. Why did I have to list the two choices many times? Because after I had chicken, then I can say that I can either have ice cream. Oops, sorry. There you go. Ice cream or pie. After I had prawns, then that's the time that I decide ice cream or pie. Similarly, after choosing hamburger, I can also choose ice cream or pie. Same goes with if I chose salad as my entree and chicken as my main, then I can have either ice cream or pie as my dessert. If I had prawns, I still have the choice of ice cream. My drawing is not just aligned, or pie. And lastly, if I chose hamburger, I can still have ice cream and pie. There you go, as my choice. So if we're going to count each of these possible options, we will have the following. The first one is you can have soup, chicken, then ice cream. Ice cream. Or you can have soup, chicken, pie. Here you have soup, prawn, ice cream, and we will continue the list. So now we can have soup, prawn, pie. This one would be soup, hamburger, ice cream. Ice cream. This one would be soup, hamburger, pie. This one, we now have salad. Salad, chicken, ice cream. This one, we would have salad, prawn, pie. Then we would have, sorry, not prawn. This should still be chicken. Hold on. Let's erase that. This should be still chicken. There you go. Now we go to salad, prawn, ice cream. Then we would have salad, prawn, pie. Then the last two, salad, hamburger, ice cream. Then the last would be salad, hamburger, pie. So counting that off, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 possible ways of choosing our dinner. Though I don't think you would need to go to all through that trouble to figure out that you have 12 possible ways. Think about it. To get to 12, you can actually have the number of choices that we would have. Take a look at this one. We had 2 choices, and we distributed it or sort of multiplied it to the number of mains that we have. These are 2 entrees. Then we would have 3 mains, and these 3 mains were distributed to 2 of our desserts. So if we're going to do that as multiplication, we'll have 2 times 3 times 2 equals 12. So it's easier for us to have counted the number of possible ways we can have dinner if we counted and distributed the number of entrees, mains, and desserts that we've had. And this concept in mathematics of counting the number of possible ways easily is a fundamental principle in counting, and we're going to explore more of that in the next video.